Hi there, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I'm here to tell you how impressed my family was with this awesome backpack from Blue Coolers. We were able to take this on a road trip, and I'm really impressed because I used it to the max. For one thing, it is made with really sturdy materials. It's a PVC outside coating, and it has that cooler feature inside. The zippers and all of the clasps on this are really hardcore. They really took a beating in our car, moving the bag around, and at the beach. They just really felt so durable every time that I used them. This cooler will hold 30 cans, and I not only put cans in it, I put everything in it that we wanted to take on our road trip. It kept things cold all day. We were super impressed because we used this during hot weather. We used it at the beach when it was also really warm, and this cooler kept everything nice and cold. I also am really impressed because the pads and the backpack part of this are really comfortable. So I live less than a mile away from my local store, and if I have the opportunity, I love walking and getting a few groceries. This bag is super comfortable to walk with. It has the padding both on the backpack itself and as well as the handles, making it really comfortable. This backpack is definitely worth getting. It really surprised me. I'm so happy that it's so functional, and it's an awesome backpack. And that's just my point of view.